Kamakailan mga kapatid na nalanta ang bagyong Nona at may mga kababayan tayo na talagang naapektuhan kung kailan magpapasko, di ba? Pero buti na lang may mga mabubuting loob. Guess what? The Phenoms are coming together. Alyssa Valdez and Kiefer Ravena for Fast Break 3. First time na volleyball game. Exciting po ito. Tara, panoorin natin. Kasama ko syempre the brains and the effort behind the Fast Break 3 since Fast Break 1 and 2. Si Kiefer Ravena, it's a good turnout kasi alam natin napakahigpit ng schedule ng mga tao.
Very fulfilling to for us, no? For us athletes, and especially for also the players na talagang nag-take time for their busy schedules na to take part in such event.
We would like to thank everyone talaga, mga fans, family namin, mga media, na lahat na sumusuporta talaga sa amin. Sponsors talaga. I think hindi lang din naman tayo yung sasaya in our own little ways. Sana mapasaya natin yung mga kababayan natin. And it's never too late to help. It's never too late kahit ano pa yan. So sana lang makatulong kami ng kahit konti po sa kanila.
Mr. Dick Gordon, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo. It's nice to see athletes as young as Alyssa Valdez and Kiefer Ravena and their friends come together for a very special cause.
Thank you. Lisa, this is exemplary. This shows a very good education, a very good culture of sportsmanship, that you involve yourself in the community. You're not apathetic. Hindi ka lang nanonood, hindi ka watcher. Ini-involve mo ang sarili mo para maiangat mo yung taong nahihirapan.
Maraming salamat sa mga pumunta dito sa Philoil Flying V Arena. Alam ko medyo busy kayo sa schedule nyo, pero you took time to watch this charity volleyball game para sa mga kababayan nating nasalanta ng bagyo. Ngayong Christmas, syempre hindi lang tayo masaya, pati sila magiging masaya din. Sama ng tulong nyo. Maraming salamat.